What's that, Timothy? What's on your head?
It's Nate.
It's Uncle Nate. But what's that on your head? Is that your hair?
No.
What is it?
I'm not really sure.
You're not sure? What is it? Is it an animal that died?
No.
It didn't crawl on your head and die?
No.
No? Is it just an animal?
Animal.
It's an animal on your head? Is that an animal on your head?
Animal head.
Tell everybody, we rock, yeah!
How I
Yeah, that too. We rock! Woo! Yeah! Oh! Woo! Oh! Oh! You just took me off! What? What? This? That's not Legos. That's a Rubik's Cube. And we perfectly fixed it. See? It's the same color all around. We're geniuses. Oh, don't show them the other part. Because then, oh, they saw it. They know we're not smart now. Maybe you are. You just fixed one.
Did you see the video that 4-year-old kid that does a Rubik's Cube in about